Yo, this is a simple like little tutorial. You turn it on the right side, right here, like this. Of course, you get a loading screen. If you turn it off incorrectly, it'll tell you that that happened, but just give it like a few seconds, and that will fix it. Once it turns on, as you can see, it'll say Pal Kitty. It'll load up to this custom firmware. What you're looking for is this one. So GPSP is what you're looking for. You want to click A to start. And you'll load it probably in a folder. You can click X to go folder up, and you'll have different folders here for you. The things that are going to be important is going to be your folder. It's going to be one of my favorites folder, and also you're going to have the popular folder, a ROMs hack folder, and you'll also have a complete collections folder, which is like 900 games, and it's a pain in the ass to find what you're looking for. So generally just go to the folder that you want. So for example, I'll go to mine. You go down to the game that you want, etc., etc. Let's go with Metroid Fusion, right? Click that, turn it on, give it a second, it'll start, and you'll be able to play like normal, right? Again, what's going to be important, I believe, is A, B, and then the shoulder buttons and the D-pad, start, all that fun stuff. Now, when you want to turn the thing off, you actually want to click the center button, and over here, there's like a settings menu, and you can do a bunch of stuff. A weird part about this is that A is not actually confirmed. B is confirmed. I know, slightly weird, but it is what it is. One thing that's important is save states. So you can pause. You can click the center button, pause the game at any time, click save state, and once it you can see how it jumped back up top, right? It will. You can go now. You can go down and click return to game. It'll have that save state, and you can always just load it up. It's like a instant save essentially. If you don't know what a save state is. But what's important here is you go down. You can go down and click Exit GPSP, confirm it with the B button. It'll take you to this menu back here, right? Once you're back in this menu, whether you're going, whether you're here or in different menu, etc., it doesn't matter. What's important is that you can hold the start button. It'll give you a prompt to power off. You want to always power off through the software power off. So I'll click A to confirm power off. As you can see, the screen turns off. Then turn it off. Don't just turn off with the physical button, because it can corrupt the SD card and cause you to lose pretty much everything at some point. You do it once or twice, it won't really matter, but you keep doing it, it's going to corrupt it more. Now, another thing that's important is setting up some of the settings, right? So you can click left and right shoulder button to be able to go to different menus, as you can see. Go to here to configure. And what you're looking for, the two things that are important is backlight, so you can change how bright this is. And once you have set up super bright, for example, or super, I don't know, super dim, because I like to have it dim, just click start, and you'll see that it changed. You see how much brighter it is, right? And I hate that, so I'm going to put it back. And then you can also, for the audio volume, you can adjust that. There is I like to put the backlight at like 20 or so, give or take. The audio, I like to keep it low. There is a physical volume wheel on the left side, but when you put this at 100%, it is so loud. This adjustment is very small. So honestly, use the software to change the audio that you want, and then just use the audio wheel for very minor adjustments.